Joe Bearmaster, we have a 2015 Tarus SHO. This goes for multiple models and multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out on the trunk. And basically, we have a used one here. You see there's three studs, and they have 8mm nuts.
10.
10. They're 10. Okay, thin thread 10s. So as soon as you open up, you'll see a nut there and a nut there. But you have to get inside here, take this trim down. There's little clips that hold it in. And you access it up through there, spin it off, and then there was another trick. There's a molding that goes through the tail light.
On the other side.
And you have to pry that out with a little screwdriver carefully.
Little clip under it.
There's a little clip. Let's see that clip. Let's see that.
There it goes in the second one.
Yep.
You gotta kind of sneak it under.
He's going to slide the bolts through and then tighten it back up and plug the wire in.
And
there's the other side.